wish you could take your creativity to class and actually make some money from it? Today, I'm showing you how I use Printify to design and sell back to school gear, hoodies, backpacks, sling bags, and even notebooks. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just love creating everyday essentials, this is a side hustle you could carry with you. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's make some money. With Printify, you just upload your design, choose a product, and when someone buys it, they handle the printing and shipping. And yes, this really can put money in your pocket. Since you don't pay up front, it's low risk and a great way to test what sells. Now let me show you how quick it is to design a notebook from scratch. Okay, so now we are designing a spiral notebook. It's 59 sheets, 6x8. It's plain white right there. So we're gonna design it. Can't leave it just plain white, right? This could be for school, for writing notes, writing affirmations. You could be writing your accomplishments, your hustles for the day, how much you're gonna make for the month, your budgeting. So we're gonna design it. I'm taking a photo I'm uploading it from my laptop to my device. Clock in, log in, level up. Okay. And if you're going back to school, you are leveling up. All right. So now I place that design right onto the notebook. It was so easy to do. These are different mock-ups. It shows you the inside, the outside of the book. It's just an anime character I created. And I like anime, so I did that. You can design it any way you like. But I'm going to be selling this. I'm going to make some money because it's back to school. So people love writing their notes, the affirmations, whatever they want to do to elevate their lives, their lifestyle. You right? So don't have a plain notebook. Have something with flair, right? Something designer, some one of a kind. Now, I have to make a profit. So if I sell for $13.62, I'm not going to really make a profit. So I'm going to change the retail price because you have to take in consideration shipping, right? Shipping costs. So you add that shipping cost to the amount of the price, the retail price, and I'm going to change it to $16.99, which gives me a profit of $8.70. Now we're cooking with gas, right? 51% profit. Now we're making some money. So now we changed some of the things. The description was perfect actually, but I'm going to just change a little bit of the information. It even tells you how to take care of it. There's the size of the notebook. It tells you, but the title is too long. Okay, so you only can use 80 characters. So motivational spiral notebook, perfect for students, creatives, back to school. It's back to school time, right? So since it's back to school, let's try to target students. Okay, let's try to target people that's going to actually use it. I put it in my store for $16.99 and I included free shipping because of the fact I included the shipping into the cost, right? So now you got the nice description, elevate your note-taking experience, and it ships really, really fast, by the way. Actually, I ordered one of these, and wait till you see it. It is fabulous. I will show it. I'll show it in one of my videos, the notebook. I love this notebook. I love the design. So I had to buy one for myself. I told you I'm a big anime fan, so I'm like, come on. It's a no-brainer. You could do the same. You can make all types. So you can put wrestling characters on there. Like make your own characters. Make your own design. You can come up with something that you're passionate about. Put it on a notebook. Because if you're passionate about it, other people will be passionate and they'll use it for note taking. They'll use it for their hustle ideas. I have a notebook for every little thing I do. My scheduling, my ideas, my content ideas, my schoolwork, my side hustles. I have notebooks for every little thing. So people will buy this. Trust me. Okay, so let's check out this bestseller unisex heavy blend hooded sweatshirt. 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It's cute, it's white, but it's plain. I'm gonna add my little touch to it for you students that's going back to school. You might already be in school. You gotta look cute with your hoodie. This is a design I came with: work, study, life. Master the shuffle. All right. I love it. I love it. Getting shuffle cards. All right. All right. So now look at that color. Is that color gorgeous or what? Okay. So now, oh, she's really rocking it. I love that on her. Okay. So now I'm gonna actually get that. I'm gonna be wearing that. I'm gonna wear that in one of my videos. Look at all the colors that come in. Wow. You got the indigo blue. You got the sport gray. Oh my goodness, it'd be nice for like a little hat to go with that, a little beanie hat. I love that. So yes, it comes in a multitude of colors, and we're gonna click on which ones that I want to use for mock-up in my store. It's back to school. You got the work, you got the study. You put it all together. All right, so you got the work, study, life, and you have a nice title, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to use the generate it with AI, and it's going to come up with even a better title. Okay, because sometimes you have to generate with AI. You have to. They come up with really great stuff, and I'm changing it up. Okay, it's definitely for students who work hard, who study hard, who have to balance life, right? They have to balance life. Let's see. Product description is coming all together here. This hoodie is designed for college students who are hard workers and entrepreneurs juggling work, life, and study. See? That's what I'm talking about. That's how we do. We're going to be changing the title. Work, study, life hoodie. Yes, be proud. You're a student and you hustle. You put it together. You're balancing everything. All right. So now look at the price. Okay. They even help you tell you what your price should be. All right. So $39.99. So we can get some type of profit here because you got to include shipping. So it's 25 plus shipping. So it comes up to $39.99. They even take PayPal. All right. For payments. That hoodie is awesome looking. And it comes in so many colors. Wow. I can't wait to rock my hoodie. Oh, it's going to look cute. I'm telling you. So that's what you need. That's how you make a nice hoodie and put it in your store. Okay, so let's work with this backpack. Okay, look at this. All right, back to school. You need your backpack, right? 100% lightweight polyester. Let's get this started. You do not have to be a designer to design with Printify. You can use AI to help design like I did. I'm showing you, I'm going to turn this backpack black so the design can pop from the black background. And I'm going to show you what I've uploaded. I'm going to upload from my device, adding file to library. And I'm going to show you the design I came with AI. All right. AI helped me design this one. Look how easy this is. And I framed it. I put it right into size. It helps you size it out just perfectly. And then it shows you a mock-up view. The front, the right side, the left side, the top. Look how beautiful that came out. Books by day, bags by night. All right. You are a hustler at nighttime working, and you are a student by day. That's what I came up with that idea. Books by day, bags by night. That's myself right there. And I'm sure there's a lot of guys and a lot of girls out there doing the same thing. We are hustling and we are students. We are making our money and educating ourselves at the same time, right? So look what I did. I did the inverse. Look at the color so it could pop. Look at that. Now it looks complete. And I'm trying to tell you, you don't need any money to do this. Just have an imagination. Okay, look at this. From top to bottom, it shows you all the views of the bag before you put it in your shop, your TikTok shop, your own personal shop, your Shopify shop. It gives you a whole description. We're going to change out the description though, okay? We're going to make it nice and clean day or night. Look at this. Okay, this backpack is perfect for university or college students who are hustling to achieve their goals. All right, so it's lightweight. It feels, I'm telling you, and you can clean it off with a cloth I'm changing from $54.99. I'm gonna make a little bit of a more of a profit. I'm gonna change the price. The real retail price is gonna go up just a little bit, so I can see a little bit more of a profit. They will pay for it, $59.99. Trust me, it's back to school. You need a book bag. You need a book bag. So this is the time if you want to make some money from students. This is the time to start making the book bags. Look at that in the store. Look at this in my personal store. This is the time to make a book bag, a book, a hoodie, anything a student is going to need. Okay? You don't have to be a great designer. Use AI to help you design it. You do not need money to do this. Make your book bag. Okay? Make your merch and put it inside your Printify. Use Printify. Put it in your store. Wait for people to purchase it. And how you do this? You start marketing it. You market your merch. You do ads. You do little videos showing you rocking your book bag. People are going to want to buy it. Parents are going to buy it for their students, and students are going to purchase it. And you can make a profit. It's that simple. You don't need $1,000 to start this business. All right, so now we're going to do the Sling Bag, one of my favorite type of bags. All right, this is great for college students. It's an early access bag. So this is like way before everybody else is getting it. This is the, like, you're like one of the first to see this. I'm about to upload this little saying right here: study smart, hustle harder. You know us hustlers who actually go to school or work, do all different types of things to balance our life. We have to have some type of balance. This is your bag. You can make this for people. I'm telling you, people will purchase it. I love this type of bag. You can put it on your shoulder behind your back, or you can put it in the front. Some people rock it in the front. This is what I'm saying. This bag is for hustler students. And you know, if you're a hustler and you're a student, you need a bag like this. You should be making this right now. School is in session. Make these bags. And you can say what you want. You can say something totally different on it. But as you look at this, its product costs $48.07 to make it, $6.49 to ship it. I gotta have a little bit of profit, so I'm turning it to $59.99. And we're about to publish this. We're about to make a little bit of a profit. There you go. Here it is in the store. Study smart, hustle harder. Okay, you can do the PayPal, $15 for payments. You got the free shipping, Sling Bag for hustling students. It came out beautiful. Remember, this is early access. I had to make this myself. They didn't even have this ready. I made this myself. I did the whole mock-up and everything. This is one of a kind. This is what you should be doing. You should be making content. Make merch like this. Make a bag like this, and I'm telling you, it would sell out. They are so comfortable to carry on your shoulder like this. Or some people wear it in the front. I don't know if you see it. Some people wear it in the front, and it looks so nice. That's what you could be selling with Printify. You can't go wrong. Sell it. Wear it. And people will stop you and ask, where did you get it? Make a video about it. And I'm telling you, put your link. Put your link in that video, and people are going to purchase it. Wear it. Make a TikTok. Put it on Instagram. Just walk around with it sometime. And just people are like, oh, where'd you get that bag from? Make it your own. Make a nice design to it. You could say back to school. You could even say Christmas gifts. You can say, for the students in your life. You could do all kinds of ways. This makes a great gift. I'm telling you, this is how you make some money from merch with Printify. No money down. You don't need a penny to get this started. Once your design is ready, list it on Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon merch with strong keywords and mockups. Drive traffic with ads made on spots like Place It, TikTok clips, Pinterest posts, and micro influencers for social proof. As sales grow, retarget visitors, build an email list with discounts, and ride seasonal trends to keep revenue coming year round. Back to school season is the perfect time to turn your creativity into income. With Printify, you can sell hoodies, backpacks, and notebooks without worrying about printing or shipping. Check out the link in my description and start your hustle today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Printify. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.